Disney's Animal Kingdom Park is a larger-than-life theme park with adventure at every turn. From the inspiring Tree of Life to the amazing dinosaur, Disney Imagineers created fascinating attractions that mesmerize the whole family. Travel to Africa and glimpse animals up close on the wildlife safari. Thrill seekers will roar over the Yeti-guarded Expedition Everest. And thundering Kali River Rapids. And children are always enchanted by the latest entertainment. Your entire clan will delight in all the spirited, animal-inspired shows. Flock to Disney's Animal Kingdom for all species of fun.